What up, guys? I'm back with another weather update. There's a really big storm coming our way into New York and the Hudson Valley, Port Jervis, all in the Hudson Valley. Some snow showers in Lockport, Watertown. But this is going to be our main focus. Let's load. All this by 8 p.m. It's going to be moving. By 8 p.m. it's going to be north, and it's going to be in North Judson, South Bend, Kalamazoo, Benton Harbor, Chicago, and all the way down St. Louis, Washington. All this. So, when this storm comes over here, I would say the heavier bands are going to be like, let's look. Hold on. I think I can look. Do this hourly. So this is for Port Jervis, all in the Hudson Valley. This is Hudson Valley. So on Sunday, 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m., the snow shower starts snowing in Port Jervis. That's in the Hudson Valley, 58% chance. Then in the morning hours, 10 a.m., snow, 94% chance. So about maybe 1 to 2 inches per hour when in the heaviest parts of when it's going to start. 10 a.m., 92%. So like I would say 10 a.m. to at least 2 p.m. is going to be the heaviest. And then it stops at 5. It's not going to be that as big as the last storm, but we will get 3 to 6 inches, maybe even more in some places in the Hudson Valley and New York. So I just wanted to give a weather update about the storm. I'll be covering it the whole day tomorrow while I'm watching the Super Bowl, of course. Yeah, by 8 p.m. the storm will be just up here. It will be kind of far away, but once it gets in the morning hours tomorrow, it should be over here in the Hudson Valley. All over here. So I just wanted to give this weather report on the storm. Not as big as the last one, but a decent snowstorm. So I just wanted to give an update about the storm, and I'll look up. Holy crap! Be posted for the next update, because I'll be updating this a lot tomorrow throughout the day to inform you guys on how much snow you might be getting. So I'm gonna end this one for right now and stay posted on the next weather update. Alright, bye.